There's no such thing as a miserable day. Just rain experienced through a miserable mind. So get yourself a sexy rain mac and live a little, because, well, I think you're missing something. How'd it be if you went for a walk in the rain without the miserable story? Oh, I can hear the bird. Can you hear the bird singing? Bird's not bothered by the rain. Oh, the smell. I love the smell of the rain. You love the smell of the rain? The feel of the rain. Oh. I'm grateful. Are you grateful for the rain? You're not grateful for my raincoat, I tell you that.
Love life, live now.